friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Acer V247Y Abmix LCD displays. So friend, Acer introduced the V247Y Abmix 23.8-inch full HD liquid crystal display with a slim frame design, and friend, it employs the high contrast VA technique and non-glare treatment, and friend, it includes Acer Display Widget that offers display mode adjustment and split setting for effective screen utilization and user-specific mode settings. And friend, the base parameters are response time 4 millisecond, contrast ratio 3000 Jam1, refresh rate 75 Hz, display color approximately 16.7 million colors, NTSC color reproducibility 72%, and viewing angle horizontal or vertical 178 degree, and friend, HDMI into 1, D-sub into 1, 3.5 mm stereo mini jack into 1, headphone terminal into 1, and built-in 2W into 2 stereo speakers comprise with the interface. And friend, the stand can be adjusted from -5 to 25 degrees, and VESA mounter has a pitch of 100 into 100 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.